Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you the brand new Heartbound Vow Gacha Banner in Heartopia. So, as the name suggests, this banner has a beautiful wedding theme collections like this. And in here, there are 3 different banners that you can choose. The female outfit banner like this, it's so beautiful, and then the male outfit, and then the furniture and building materials banner like this. And to pull on these banners, you will need exhibition pass on here. If you are a premium player, you can buy more using diamonds using hard diamonds like this. But if you are a free to play player, don't worry, you can collect the free exhibition passes from the reward in the Sanrio event, and then at the Call of Wheels Fashion Wave catalog. And then also its banner will comes with 3 different color variations, like there are white, and then black like this, black or maroon, and then purple like this. You can see it. And so there are plenty of styles to collect. And here's another bonus. Every time you do a gacha pull, you will receive a exhibition ticket stub that you can use it in the exchange store on here to redeem the extra items or uh, another versions of the banner, this one with the different color like this. And okay, in here let's do a pull and see what we get. Okay, in here we got wind bloom bow headwear like this. It's so beautiful. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.